The whole process of applying air-cooled chillers, many problems will cause chiller alarms. There are also many methods of alarm, generally light effect alarm, sound alarm, and code alarm. According to the different production and manufacturing design schemes of the chiller factory, the types of alarm methods that will be generated for the same problem are different, but whether it is a light effect alarm, a sound or a code alarm, it must be highly valued by customers. The common problem with air-cooled chillers that causes alarms is high pressure and low pressure alarms. There are many reasons for the bottom pressure alarm, which are caused by a large refrigerant charge or related problems. High pressure alarms are mostly caused by problems such as overtemperature and insufficient cooling, including insufficient refrigerant amount or cooling water flow, water-cooled cooling water chiller closed cooling tower and its centrifugal water pump, pipes, refrigerant leaks or pipes blockages, residues, and dirt will cause the chiller system software to cause problems such as low total flow and slow water flow, which will eventually cause alarms and malfunctions.